Unboxing for Manang. Wow, 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 wow. What is that, Manang? Unboxing for my Manang? Yes. Yes, my Manang. Let's unboxing for Manang. Daddy said it's unboxing. It's unboxing for Manang. Come here. Come here. Dad said for you. Yang. Wow, it's chewy. Oh, look at that chewy pet lover shop. Wow, Manang, ha? Yeah? Manang, ha? You're excited? Yeah. Oh. Come. Wow, come here. Don't be scared. It's Dad is giving you gifts. Wow, a lot. Oh, wow, thank you, Dad. Wow. Oh, your favorite Manang. That there's a good stuff in the middle. Oh, thank you, Dad. Wow. Thank you, Dad. Wow. More. Wow. Wow. Wow, look, Manang. Look. Wow, Manang. You got a lot of snacks. Oh, 2 days ago I spent $59 for your snacks. Dad ordered a lot. Wow. All kinds. In 30 ounce. Wow. Wow, say thank you, Dad. Thank you, Dad. Wow, hon. Thank you, hon, for buying this for Manang. Here we go, honey. Here you go, Manang. Say thank you to Dad. Here. Don't be scared. Dad is not mad. Yeah. Wow, si Manang nag-unboxing. Wow. Say thank you to Dad. Yeah. Thank you, Dad. Wow, I got a lot of snacks. Look. You have all kinds. You have salmon flavor. You have seafood medley. There you go. And you have tasty chicken. And you have backyard cookout. Wow. You like? Yum. Look, Manang, enjoying the snack. Say thank you, Dad. Oh, kalooy. Thank you, Dad. Wow, you got a lot of snacks. Oh, okay, that's it, okay? Wow. Wow. Give mommy kiss. Give mommy kiss. Give mommy kiss. Here. Yes.